How to send Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually send Bitcoin using Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send Bitcoin using Cash App, all you have to do is first of all open Cash App. Then first of all, just make sure to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to send. So let's say I want to enter $200 worth of Bitcoin that I want to send. Once I do that, you just want to tap on this little USD button here, and then from USD you want to switch to Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin, you'll most likely find the option to switch to Bitcoin. Now before you don't have a Bitcoin, then it'll ask you to simply buy Bitcoin if you don't have one. Then you have to simply select get started and then begin the process of buying a Bitcoin. And to buy Bitcoin, you need to verify identity. So the process is that if you want to buy Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin, or if you want to actually send Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin, and if you want to have Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin, you need to verify your identity. That's how it actually works. And after you follow the on-screen instructions to buy the Bitcoin, you will be able to send them as well. And this is how you can send Bitcoin using Cash App. But also remember that you need to have the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address on the wallet that you want to send to. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.